Universe answers your questions in a very strange manner. Something like this happened with me. So recently, I was watching a movie on Netflix. The name of the movie is Emergency, starring Kangana Ranaut, and it tells you the entire political scenario which was going on the upper level of the political parties. And while I was watching that movie, I was wondering, yeah, what was going on with the people, with the common people? How were they coping up? How were they fighting against it? And to my surprise, a few days later, I came across a book that not only tells you the story about common people, but also depicts the beauty of friendship and love through it. So the book I'm talking about is The Indian Emergency. The author's name is Kumar Kinshuk, and this book beautifully portrays how things changes drastically after something like this happens on the political front. And it does not take any sides. I don't think the story is taking any sides. It's just what are the things which is going on in the common house with the common people, common citizens of India. And I can't think of any other way than to describe that the relationships that has been mentioned here, whether it is of a a parent and a parent and the children, whether it is between siblings, whether it is between two lovers, whether it is between friends, everything is so intertwined, and it is how the universe works. When you want something from your heart, the universe conspires to make it happen, and this is what beautifully portrayed in this. So out of against all the circumstances, things starts to fall into place. This is not just a story about love. It is also about friendship, about adult friendship, mature friendships, and friendship at a moment when you never expected to find friends. It's very hard to find true friends when you are a grown person. So the story mostly revolves around three people. One is the police inspector, another is a poet, and the third person is a professor. So the two of them are the political prisoner, and this police inspector has imprisoned them, but respects them highly. So they often have a conversation over tea time in the jail, and they happen to know about each other. They happen to challenge each other's views, accept them. Sometimes, if they don't accept them, they are ready to, agree to disagree. So the conversations are really beautifully portrayed in this. And they happened to form a very beautiful bond during that scenario. And they came to know that there was a love story brewing on between their kids. And it's such a beautiful, marvelous story. I think you should give it a read. And there are mentions of beautiful shairis in this. If you're a fan of shairis, then I think you may give it a try. So do check this book out.